Good evening. It's a beautiful night here across the Gulf Coast with temperatures sitting in the mid to low 60s across much of the area. Be sure to enjoy it while it lasts though, as temperatures these cool aren't too common this time of year. At this 10:30 p.m. hour, Mobile is sitting at 64, Gulf Shores at 64, 63 over in Milton, with our cold spots being our inland communities, with Evergreen at 60, 61 in Monroeville, 60 in Chatham. Expect temperatures to cool off just a few more degrees as we head throughout the rest of your night, with your forecast low for Mobile tonight being 63 degrees. Sky staying mostly cloudy with pretty calm winds. So as you wake up tomorrow morning, temperatures are going to be warming pretty quickly though. So at 7 to 8 a.m., 65, 66, so you might want that light jacket if you're headed out to the bus stop or walking to class. But as you go throughout the rest of your morning, temperatures are going to warm up pretty nicely with 75 degrees by the 11 a.m. hour. So as we head throughout the rest of your Tuesday, temperatures are going to warm up into the low to mid 80s across much of the area, with perhaps some 70s in some of our Mississippi communities with more cloud cover and maybe a higher chance of rain in those areas. Areas along the Florida Panhandle are going to stay mostly sunny, 84 in Crestview, 82 in Fort Walton Beach. If you're headed out to the beach, tomorrow is a great day to go. Rip current risk staying low to moderate throughout the next 3 days, with temperatures in the low to mid 70s throughout much of the week. Water temperature feeling pretty good as well. The bad news is we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and into your weekend. Those rain chances do start to come up, with scattered thunderstorms likely all throughout the weekend. So let's look at those rain chances. So as we head into your Tuesday, we do expect some scattered showers across the area, especially northern parts of the area. So areas like Monroeville, Chatham, and Evergreen, you could see more of those storms in areas along the Gulf Coast, such as Gulf Shores and Pensacola. But as we head into your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, that's where we see the most rain. Now, it's not going to rain all day, especially on Wednesday. I do think a lot of the afternoon hours on Wednesday are going to be dry, but expect to see a lot of rain, especially Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then throughout the day on Thursday. So let's go ahead and take a look at Wednesday and look at that first system of rain coming in. So as we look at tomorrow evening, you can see most of the area is dry except for a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms over our northeastern communities. Areas such as Monroeville, Evergreen, Atmore, and Bruton, you could be seeing some of those showers and storms tomorrow evening. So as we move through tomorrow night, we see some more of those storms in parts of our northern inland communities. Areas such as Chatham, Thomasville, and then over into Monroeville again, still at the 8:45 p.m. hour. As we head throughout your night, a lot of the area staying dry until early in the morning on Wednesday, when we see our first round of storms moving into the Mobile metro area around 4 or 5 a.m. And those will progress east through the morning with more storms coming as well. So as we head into your morning commute around 8:40 a.m., not looking great. A lot of storms around the Mobile metro area, a lot of storms over here around Pensacola and over into the Florida Panhandle. And we just expect those storms to continue on through the mid-morning with another round of storms coming around lunchtime. But as we head into your afternoon, you can see a large dry area here around 3:50, 3:45 in the afternoon. And I know it does show rain over Mobile and parts of Mississippi. I do expect it to be mostly dry at that 3 p.m. hour, staying dry through the rest of the night. It's as we head into your Thursday that once again, we may see some storms start to pop up early Thursday morning. So how much rain are we talking? Quite a bit. 5 to 7 inches of rain over here across the southeast Mississippi, with areas in Alabama staying between 3 and 5 inches, especially over western Mobile County, while areas in the Florida Panhandle, you may only be seeing 1 to 2 inches or 2 to 3 inches of rain. So because of all this rain, we do have an aerial flood watch for parts of the area. So if you're in our Mississippi counties, areas such as Wiggins, George County, Pascagoula, Biloxi, you're going to see a lot more rain than the areas of the east. Not to say that areas in Alabama and Florida aren't going to see rain, but the highest flooding risk is going to be just to our west over Mississippi. So as we look at your 7 days, a lot of rain in that forecast. 80% chance of storms on Wednesday, 90 on Thursday, 70 on Friday, with rain chances still possible into your weekend. Temperatures do look good though, staying right around 80 degrees with low temperatures settling in the mid-60s. So make sure to have that umbrella handy as we head throughout the week, and be tuned for updates as we tell you more about this risk for flooding rains. Thank you for watching. I'm meteorologist Caleb Seaver.